Hello, my name is Tina. Let me welcome you to the video presentation of Attract Money, 3 impractical myths about attracting money. This article is written by Rishon B. and this video presentation is brought to you by attractingabundancehq.com. There are so many inconsistent views on attracting money and whether it's even achievable. In this article, I cut all the way through the myths and present actual world verifiable truths. Truths that you can discover, execute, and exercise to attract money at will. Myth number 1. To attract means it will magically materialize with no deed. The term to attract money is often misinterpreted. It does not mean that you do a bunch of stuff then money magically materializes. Sad to burst any bubbles. More often than not, action will need to transpire. That's just the effect of the world we live in. But the action doesn't have to be compulsory or to be enforced. That's actually counterproductive. When you're correctly attracting money, action occurs. But it's more like the action is occurring through you. You enjoy the action, and what's more, it's deadly effective. This is what I refer to as being at ease and allowing the action instead of forcing it. Myth number 2. The total idea of attracting money is impractical and you just need to work hard. This is the complete opposite of end of the spectrum to myth number 1. And it's about as true as myth number 1 too. I can present the decisive proof to that. Reflect back to your personal life experience. Have you ever worked very, very hard to make something happen yet nothing did? That no matter what you do, it just didn't work together. Of course you have. And even when you did get what you saw after, did the victory taste as sweet as you thought it would? Or did you immediately move into the next thing, almost completely disregarding that fleeting moment of success? That's how forced action tends to end up. Yet, think back on another experience where you were enjoying what you did. It was a pleasure. There wasn't a different sense of demanding or trying to make a particular result takes place. And yet, you certainly got what you wanted. The art of attracting money is basically recreating the second situation over and over again, at will. It's the art of finding that space of ease and lack of attachment to the outcome, then taking action from there. In that space, your action is far more helpful and enjoyable. Myth number 3. There is one mysterious formula to attract all the money in the world. No matter what everyone tells you, this just isn't correct. I mean, there are tons of proven methods that have worked for others, but following that formula precisely isn't an assurance that you'll attract money yourself. Don't get me wrong, it's a wonderful preparatory point. Unfortunately, as human beings, we all grow up with unique set of filters and beliefs, something they like to refer to as your map of reality in LLP. Any sort of education you do will need to either fit into this map or alter it somehow. The philosophy that applies to attracting money will often require a change in that map of reality in order for them to be accepted and perform their magic. Being into that magical space referred to in myth number 2 involves personal experimentation and learning from that. It's the process of teasing yourself into that state over and over. I know that it sounds a little theoretical, but it's the truth. You'll be manipulating around your belief system, picking off achievable goals, creating a positive twist of belief in the process. Once you get that inherent belief in the course, which comes from real world success, you're set. These are my resources. My website, http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life at http://attractingabundance-hq.com/video-reveals-step-by-step-blueprint-for-attracting- anything dash you dash want. How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff. Jedi Mind Power Skills or years of practice guaranteed at http://manifestitalltoday.com slash manifest anything. And lastly, Effortless Abundance Blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http://effortlessabundancesite.com. Thank you.